What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute for YouTube, but if you guys didn't know already, I made a TikTok, and one of the reasons why I haven't really been posting on here a lot is because I've been focusing more on TikTok recently, but now I'm gonna crack down on these YouTube videos for you guys. But if you guys want to go check out the TikTok, I post like daily and I go live to talk to the viewers and everything like that. So I'll put it right here for you guys and you can go check it out. But judging from the title of this video, the main purpose you clicked on this video is because of your hair health. And I've been getting a lot of comments and questions recently telling me your hair isn't growing or your hair isn't as healthy as it used to be. It's super frizzy, it's always dry, there's a lot of breakage going on, a lot of buildup, honestly. And yes, there's many reasons that I touched on in the past, but today we're gonna go into something that nobody really talks about, but is probably the main reason why your hair isn't growing or why your hair isn't healthy. But before we get into any of that, we're gonna talk about today's sponsor. Hey man, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. And bro, if you're anything like me, you wait till the last minute to get something for your girl or your mom. Listen man, I know you might be thinking right now, Mike bro, I'm low on bread. Well, thanks to today's sponsor, I got the solution for you. Ana Luisa is a jewelry company that provides high quality eyes for a low price, you feel me? And if you guys care about the planet, you'd be happy to know that Ana Luisa does too. Their mission statement states that they work with trusted partners that share their values and meet our standards so everything is fairly priced and produced ethically. That means no unnecessary mining or excessive markups. And they were kind enough to send me some jewelry, and I can honestly say the quality matches up with their claims. The jewelry comes in these sick recycled packages, and they could definitely be recycled the second time into a cool wallet or coin pouch. And as for the jewelry, I'm definitely not giving these to nobody. Like I said before, this jewelry is pretty high quality, and they were kind enough to send me this Adam Bolt chain, these OC earrings, as well as this Michael Bolt bracelet. And yo, since I got these, I've worn them every single day. And usually, I go to the gym a couple times a week. And usually I end my gym stays going into the sauna. And they held up through the moisture. So that means no Grinch neck. I'm definitely gonna get a cool piece from my mom soon. And there's definitely versatile styles that can match different vibes and aesthetics. And they definitely got something for everybody, guys. If you guys are interested in getting some nice ice for a cool price, Ana Luisa currently has a buy one get one 40% off promotion on top of their already reasonable prices. And I have a link in my description box below in case you guys want to go check it out. But thank you Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. But without further ado, let's get into why your hair might look trash. So if you guys see my last video, I talked a lot about hair growth. And a lot of you guys were commenting, oh, I already use all these products, my hair is still super frizzy, this routine is helping me, but at the same time my hair is dead, you know what I'm saying? Like, nothing's working. And yes, it's important to take care of your hair on the outside, but what about the inside of your body? So I've been doing a lot of research about hair lately, trying to figure out what would make my hair grow longer or what would make my hair just grow faster in general. And one thing that I came across that I've never heard of before that I think absolutely nobody talks about that they should stress on is nutrition. And don't get me wrong guys, I am not the healthiest person in the world, but lately I've been trying to be, you know what I'm saying? I go to the gym consistently, I try to watch what I eat, and I read this back when I was eating Pringles in my bed. Like, I was unhealthy guys, I was very, very unhealthy. My hair at the time was growing super slow, it was never really looking good. Even when I styled it, I was using all the right products, I was doing what I was supposed to do with my routines, and my hair was still frizzy, it was still dead. My hair roots looked like jelly. And when I read this, I was like, wow, yo, this makes complete sense. Cause I know like most of us during COVID especially, we were not eating good food, you know what I'm saying? Like, I used to eat snacks all the time. I was literally eating chips, cookies, drinking mad juice, sitting in front of my monitor just playing Warzone or Apex the whole time. And I really wasn't keeping my body in check. And that wasn't giving my body the right nutrition it needed. So my hair, as well as the rest of my body, my muscles, everything, wasn't healthy. So how do you keep your hair healthy? Well, first things first, nutrition. Put the right things into your body. You can't just focus on the external of your hair, you have to focus on the internal. Like I said, if you're eating Takis first thing in the morning, that's going up into your hair. Think about all that Taki dust going into your hair follicles. And you tell me if that sounds good. I'll wait. Because it doesn't sound good to me, honestly. That day, I was sitting on my bed eating Pringles and I read that. I finished the can of Pringles. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. They were too good to just stop. But after the fact, I actually started trying to take care of my body because it made a lot of sense. It makes sense, guys. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta make sure the first thing you're putting into your body, or just like things throughout the day, make sure they're good for you. Another thing that helps is vitamin, guys. Some vitamins that I take for my daily nutrition to keep my body in check: biotin, zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Since I've been taking care of my body more and I stopped putting those bad foods or bad things into my body, I've been seeing significant changes in my hair. And all those things you guys are having problems with, like frizz, breakage, dry hair, it can all be fixed if you really just focus on your health. Like I said, guys, you can use all the products you want on your hair to make it grow faster, to make it healthier, to make it look nice. But if your hair's not healthy in the inside, it's not going to be healthy on the outside. If you got locks, if you got twists, if you got braids, if you have straight hair, or if you have wavy hair, like, your hair growth and your hair health all comes down to your nutrition. And I know most of you guys are probably like, oh yeah, well, I knew that already. Well, if you know that already, do something about it. And I'm not here to bash you, I'm here to help you. There's days where I get out from the gym and I go to Taco Bell after. You know what I'm saying? Because it just sounds good. But is it really the best choice that I can make after going to the gym, or just the best choice I can make for my body in general? And as I talk about these different routines you could do, guys, for hair growth, or using oils, or using hair mask or rice water to grow your hair, you want to make sure before you do any of this, your diet is right. This is important, guys. Like, I can't stress this enough. This will probably be the most simple video I would ever make, but that's literally the main problem why people's hair isn't growing. Like, it's that simple. It's really that simple. Do me a favor and do yourself a favor and just get yourself together, man. When I used to play the game all the time, guys, I was eating like one meal a day, you know what I'm saying? And that one meal a day would be like 2 Twinkies and a pastry with a croissant. Like, it would literally be like the weirdest food combination for that one meal. Absolutely. Here's a picture of what I ate over the quarantine. This was a meal that I made for myself when I was playing my game. Like, it was bad. It was literally bad. Right amount of calories. For an adult, you should be eating at least 2,500 calories. That's the main amount of calories you need for the day. You know what I'm saying? And that would help you in general. Make sure the food that you're putting into your body is good. Better foods, increase the blood flow in your hair. Increase blood flow, we all know that means hair growth. Taking care of myself more, guys. Not only did I see increased hair growth, but in my body as well. I got back into the gym probably like 6 months ago. And back in high school, I never went to work out. I was super skinny, super skinny, guys. And wasn't putting the right foods in my body. And so my hair looked like in high school. It was super dead. If you haven't, I have videos on my TikTok showing what my hair did look like back in high school, guys. It was bad. And I was basically skin and bones, and I hated it. I wasn't in the right mindset to really start taking care of my body yet, and, you know, getting the right nutrition for my body. But I'll show you guys a before and after picture of what my body used to look like and what it looks like now. Yeah, guys. And I'll say once again, you don't have to be the healthiest person. But do I recommend being a healthy person? 100%, guys. 100%. And I highly recommend for everybody. If you're not doing anything, you got a bunch of time in your day, get a gym membership. Not only does that help with your mental, guys, but it also helps with your physical, you know what I'm saying? So, because once you take that first step to taking care of your body, the next steps are just gonna be easy. But other than that, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Like I said, I have a TikTok now, so I'll put it right here. Go check it out. It's also gonna be after the video. You guys will be able to check it out, and I'll put it in my description too, guys. If you have any other questions or you're not sure where to go to fixing your diet, put a comment below. I'll be happy to help you guys out. Like I said, I say all the time, guys, we're all goats here. Once again, thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video. And like I said, guys, they have high quality jewelry for a very reasonable price. So if you want to get something, I'm going to put my link in the description. And you guys can go check out the sale they have for Valentine's Day. Buy something for your girl, buy something for your mom, or just buy something for your loved one. You know what I'm saying? Someone who means a lot to you. Like I said, guys, I'm going to have another video coming soon, so stay tuned. We're going to be consistent. I'm going to have more videos coming soon. Very soon, guys. But other than that, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.